Hello, welcome to What Kind of Digital Product Can I Sell Online? The John Thornhill's Ambassador Program. Be sure to click on the link in the description for the free webinar. In the vast landscape of online entrepreneurship, everyone's on the lookout for the golden ticket to success. Enter John Thornhill's Ambassador Program, a digital oasis for those seeking to make a splash in the world of online sales. Picture this, a digital marketplace. Not just selling, but thriving. How? Well, let's embark on a journey into the realm of digital products and the magic that is the Ambassador Program. Ever thought about becoming a literary maestro without having to deal with actual paper? Well, eBooks and guides might just be your digital quill. From business strategies to the weirdest hobbies you can think of. Your niche is your kingdom, and the Ambassador Program is your trusty program. Or perhaps you're more of the professional type. Online courses and training programs are all the rage. Imagine people paying to listen to your wisdom, a bit like getting paid to be a know-it-all, but in a cool way. Ambassador Program, where knowledge meets currency. Artists, rejoice. Digital art and designs are the unsung heroes of the internet. Whether it's graphic masterpieces or templates for the creatively challenged, the Ambassador Program is your virtual gallery. Sell your art and make your wallet say, thank you. Now, software and apps might sound a bit too touchy, but fear not, there's always a market for digital solutions. Whether it's a productivity tool or the next viral game app, think of the Ambassador Program as your digital playground. All fun, no slides required. Membership can tent the VIP section of the internet. Imagine having a digital bouncer for exclusive content. The Ambassador Program opens the velvet rope, letting you charge admission for your premium articles, videos, or whatever digital delights you conjure. And here's the plot twist: affiliate marketing products. Sell other people's stuff and make a commission. Now, imagine all this, but with the marketing genie at your service. John Thornhill's Ambassador Program is your digital fairy godparent, granting you access to a network, marketing resources, and a stamp of credibility. It's like having a backstage pass to the coolest concert in town. In conclusion, the digital world is your oyster, and John Thornhill's Ambassador Program is the magic wand you never knew you needed. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just dipping your toes into the digital sea, let your creativity run wild, and let the Ambassador Program be your guiding star. After all, success in the digital realm is just a click away, and maybe a sprinkle of humor too. Sign up today and watch the free webinar for more information and how to get started today. All the best. Success. Thank you for watching.